Do you know how car seats are installed in cars? This is the 7th production line in the final assembly workshop. It's where the car seats and the wipers are actually installed. The first is to install the car's wipers. Install the wiper on the wiper motor first, and screw on 2 screws for initial fixation. Then adjust the wiper position and fix it with auxiliary equipment to ensure that the wiper can be reset normally. Then you can tighten the wiper screws with an EC wrench. After tightening, remove the positioning aids and install 2 wiper decorative covers. Then test whether the wiper works well. Then we started installing the car seats. The operator on the right will first put the rear seat cushion into the car. The operator on the left takes the backrest on the left side of the rear seat and puts it in the car. Then connect the rear seat cushion station sensor difference by the left operator. Then snap the rear seat cushions directly onto the bottom rib. Then go back and get the right backrest of the rear seat. It is also directly stuck on the seat bracket. There is a middle armrest in the middle of the backrest. Dropping it down provides the main support. Relieve the fatigue of a long ride, then install the child seat interface decoration. Installing child seats can effectively improve the safety of children's riding. So I also took this into account when changing cars. However, the secondhand market is mixed. In order to quickly buy a comfortable and safe car, so I bought a Sweet Tang and a Melon Seed used car. It only cost $47,000. There are tens of thousands of good cars with different configurations on the Melon Seeds. Each car of Melon Seeds more choices than offline professionally tested. It can also be delivered to your door and open for 3 days. If you have an old car, you can also put Melon Seeds at a high price for auction. In short, when buying and selling used cars, I choose Melon Seeds. The next step is to install the front seats. You need to connect the station and the airbag plug first. After the card is stuck on the stall clip, the same installation on the right. And then we leave an operator behind to fix the front seats. Put on the left and right screws first and use the EC wrench neck. The advantage of EC wrenches is the ability to generate specific tightening force data and upload tightening data. Can effectively prevent the screw from loosening. Then slide the seat forward to tighten the screws at the back. Then the next operator uses a handheld EC wrench to tighten the screws behind the seat bracket. Similarly, after screwing on 2 screws, tighten it with an EC wrench. Do the same for the right seat. Let's see the effect. The next step is to install the driver assistance module inside the rearview mirror of the car. The principle is to realize functions such as lane departure, warning through the camera in front. Then plug in a heating wire plug. The function is to heat and defrost the camera area. And then you install the rain sensors. The rain sensor can adjust the frequency of wipers and wipers through the size of the rain. Then install the steering wheel. You need to remove the red clip on the oil wire first. Then align the steering wheel with the opposite end point on the steering column. Put on a special screw. And tighten and fix with a special EC wrench. And then the airbag. Before installation, you need to scan the code to upload the airbag data. Then plug in the steering wheel button plug and the airbag plug. The airbag plug is inserted on the oil wire. It moves with the steering wheel. The airbag is also directly stuck on the card. Then install the rearview mirror in the car. Plug in the automatic anti-glare plug first. Then use the corner claws on the base of the rearview mirror to get stuck on the windshield base. And sort out the harness. Then the USB plug is stuck on the side cover of the rearview mirror. The function is to power the external driving recorder. One last word. Choose Melon Seeds when buying a car. Sitting at home can float. Follow me, the next episode will be more exciting.